2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 26,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.